Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of Cluster Truck. If you do enjoy, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. It all does mean a lot to me and it helps out the channel. We got pretty far last time. Let's see if we can finish off World 2. Oh, dead. Instant death. Gets that. Ooh. Okay, let's go. Ugh. Dead. So double jump is in fact working today. Okay, go. Okay, I think I'm just going too forward too fast at least. So there's that. There's that. There's that. Okay. I want to live. Okay. Jump. Land. Jump. Land. Jump. Land. Jump. Okay. I'll take that. Ooh. Dead. Okay. Okay. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. Maybe that's just how I need to do that one, is I just go under it. Okay, or I go into it. That works as well. That one just looks like I was run over. Almost got under that. Aha! I just missed that truck. Up, up and over, down, up, down, to the ground. Go. Dead. Wait a second, I just remembered something. There you go. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Let's control at the end. There. I just try to dodge that. Sitting in my chair. Under, up, up. Okay. Oh, I can't believe I landed on that truck. Another level complete. Time for winter. Ooh, please. Oh, that one was pretty good. This level I don't even want to deal with. Oh, please. Is that first try? Was that only my first one on this level? I think it was, so that's not horrible for my first one. Okay, that was death. I wonder, can I just... Nope. What happens if I just do this here? Okay, I'm not getting enough speed to do that there. Yeah, that's not working. Airtime was amazing, though. You gotta give me credit there. Up, 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 Yep. Yep. Dead. Well, I can't believe I went up and over that. That was amazing. Dead. Okay. Okay. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. Land here. Go. Switch. Wasn't quite what I was going for, but it works. Never mind. Does not. It would have worked. Could have worked. I should have just tried going for a truck behind me that time. Okay. Oh, kind of jumped straight into that bar. Couldn't be any more direct on that. Okay, perfect. You're gonna get a little bit of brush there. This truck's gonna go like that. I'm gonna go like, yeah. I can't believe I missed that. Land. Maybe I shouldn't just. Maybe. Okay, I'm gonna try this again. And lit. Okay, maybe if I don't say landed. No, technically I just said it there. Ah! Landed. Ha! Can't get me now. Although this part can. Yep, okay. Oh, because I said the L word. Okay, maybe not. Maybe I can't even say that part of it. Ah! Landed. Ha! Can't give me that. There. It just fails me. Whoa. That kind of scared me, not gonna lie. Probably why I died instantly. Okay, so it is possible. Very possible, actually. Go through there, and land right there. Okay, that was very close. Through there, through. Maybe I shouldn't go for those small gaps there. Like a larger one here and there, and land right there. Okay, dead. Can I just go like from up here again? Oh my gosh. Did it. Okay, that was not very smart of me. Is there trucks under here? There is, but I'm not gonna make that. What if I stick to the back ones for now? And then I do the jump. And land right there. Beautiful. Oh, that's not gonna... Oh, okay, that worked. Oh, they're going the other way now. Can I wrap around like that? It's probably not the smartest idea. but it could work. It absolutely could work. Oh no, okay. That works for me. Okay. Go, please. Nice. And then if I just... Nope, not the right time to do that. Okay, after the sign. Yep. Nope. Please. Okay, okay. There's that, and now I do this here, and I miss, and nope, I don't miss. Okay. Yeah. Oh wait, can we get anything else? Lets the player do some mad flips. Teleports the player. What? Freezes all trucks. Projectile that spawns a truck. Super truck. Epic mode. This mode is super epic. All points earned are double while in epic mode. So how do I use that though? Oh, I highlight it and it will act as like my second ability. Okay. Oh, that's it? Okay, I have to hold it. Go, 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 go. Done. Oh, this is rotating. Oh, this is rotating. Dun 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 dun. Completed. Aced. Done. Okay. 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 We can do this. We can do this. Dead. Okay. Wait here. Let them get a little bit ahead of me. And then go in. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh, that truck went flying. I'm liking this. I'm like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What am I jumping off of? No. I feel like I'm in a Terminator movie when I do that. Dead. Do 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 do. Load, please. Do 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 do. Okay, and go. Okay, I'm not sure what happened to that truck. Come on. Come on. We can do this. We can do this. Well, thank you all so much for... Wow, there are... I mean, I got a decent score. My time wasn't amazing, though. Let's go Just Friends. Yeah, still kicked my butt. Okay, well, thank you all so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. It does mean a lot to me and helps out the channel. And I hope that you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.